Hey, it's me, Rob, and I'm here today on International Drive for another update video. A lot of really cool stuff going on. Apparently Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg are opening like a restaurant lounge thing and a bunch of other stuff. So come hang out. I'll show you some stuff. So the Still Lounge is located on the second floor of the live area over here at the Point. And there's a sign right here for it, right next to Rocket Fizz. And there's the Still Lounge logo underneath Shark Bar. You can get there by taking these steps or escalator. I'm taking the escalator. And don't you judge me, because if you were here, you probably would take the escalator too. Okay, so we just came up the escalators. Here's the Taverna Opa, and over here is the PBR bar. The Still Lounge is back here. This is really cool. Still Lounge by Dre and Snoop. Look at this. They aren't open, but they're not open right now, but according to the internet, they are open and operating. This is an elevated cocktail lounge and nightlife venue inspired by Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg, and it features bespoke cocktails, hip-hop nostalgia, West Coast swagger, and all that mixed with Southern soul. Pretty wild, huh? This is pretty cool. Right over here next to the Sal's Pizza place. It's a sophisticated yet energetic spot. It's not a full club. More of a premium lounge experience over here at the Still Lounge. Let's see what else I can see here. Apparently it opened on October 16th, 2025. So it's been open for a little bit. I just didn't know about it. But yeah, Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg, Still Lounge. Okay, we're kind of over on the other side of the Point now, near Maggiano's, Little Italy, and the Green Indoor Golf and Bar. Over here, in this pretty large building, is going to be a 2-story museum of ice cream. Yeah, I said what I said. It's a museum of ice cream. The Museum of Ice Cream is designed as a multi-sensory universe featuring themed rooms, unlimited ice cream samples, and their world-famous sprinkle pool. Construction for the Museum of Ice Cream has already begun. It started back in 2005, and they're projecting an opening sometime this year, although a date for that has not yet been announced. This building is going to be around 20,000 square feet in total, and there's a sprinkle pool that's going to be in there. I have shown you guys this spot here before, on the first floor of the Point here, right across from where the Museum of Ice Cream is going to be. It's going to be a new sushi spot, but it looks like they still have the QR code up to win a free year of sushi. So, I mean, this stuff looks really good. Obviously, marketing pictures always look really good. I'm a huge sushi guy, so I will be eating here when it opens, but I wanted to at least show you guys the QR code again. So if you wanted to scan it from this video, you might be able to get you a free year of sushi. If you're an international travel person, that may not benefit you a ton, but I mean, you could eat sushi every day you're here for free, at least on your, 2-3 week vacation. I say give it a shot. Build-A-Bear is really coming along. We are on our way over to Icon Park right now, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick little look here. Got some scaffolding on the outside. These guys are not playing around. Build-A-Bear opening soon. All right, we're back here behind the wheel again, behind Icon Park. And we've been following the construction of the new Blue Man Group building for several months now. We made a lot of progress over here. They got some blue awnings on the building now. And it looks like most of the construction walls and stuff are down, if not all of them. They got some white fencing over here now too. I'm still not super thrilled about the look of the building. And I don't know why I care so much, because I'm not even really that guy. But it just looks like a big tent to me. I don't know, whatever, who cares? Yeah, all this stuff's down except for over here. beside it. That's still closed off over there. So this is all done. Now I have some new info about this area. This is where the new art museum is going to be. ARTE, Art Museum and Art Way. I think you're going to be back in this area. And there's some reports suggesting it's going to be either right next to this Blue Man Group Theater or even like joined with it, like literally like butted up against it. So I don't know. I'm assuming they're going to have to go over there. Maybe that's why that's still there. They're estimating a 2-year build out for that art experience. So I don't think it's going to open in 2027. I just think that it's like gearing up then. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. It's exciting stuff. Blue Man Group open May 1st. All right, we're gonna go look at something else that I think is really cool over here in Icon Park. I've never seen anything like this. So we're gonna go over and take a look at this new game show store thing. It's not a store, it's like a game show experience. And it's here in Icon Park. I was on my way over to try to find this new game show experience when I saw this sign for, ooh, this is called the Wheelhouse. I didn't know that. Inside the Wheelhouse is half price games every Monday and Friday, 10 to 2. Wow, look at this, Legends package, $120 for all that stuff. Anyways, if you're looking for this experience, but you want it to be a little cheaper, half price, Monday through Friday, 10 to 2. Full disclosure, I'm still looking for this game show experience. But on my travels out here, I did see this. A new experience on the way. Get ready. And this is right next to Shake Shack. I don't know what this is gonna be. There's no signage or anything anywhere. So if anybody has any sort of inkling of what's happening over here, let me know. I will obviously try to do some of my own research and add some information in the next video. There's some sort of new experience coming right here. This used to be Buffalo Wild Wings. Oh, let's see, I wonder. So it turns out it's not like in Icon Park. So I just walked all around there sort of for nothing. But I'm making my way over that way now. I mean, it's all the way down here by the Ripley's, believe it or not, like Mirror Maze. Man. Now passing Outback Steakhouse. And I saw a little friend. Oh, he left already. I think I spooked him. Whoop. Yeah. He did not want me to get that close to him. I wasn't even that close. I wasn't making noise or anything. I just, I thought you guys might want to see him. He didn't want you to see him. Anyways, we're still walking. We're going by the Red Robin right now. So, I don't know why my research and everything that I saw said that this was in Icon Park. I did another search and now I'm seeing the term near. So maybe I just misread it. But it's over here next to Cold Stone Creamery. And this place is called the Great Big Game Show. I do know ticket prices are around $40 a person, and I believe your party can have up to 14 people. But I am about to go find out. All right, I'm inside the Great Big Game Show. And they got this really fun wheel here you can spin for a chance to win a free ticket, it looks like. That's really cool. The lobby area is not that big, but that's really not that important, is it? They got some merch over here. And then I found out too that it is up to 14 people, between 2 and 14. So I was right about that. Around $40 a person. Teams of up to 14. It's an hour-long experience, and you guys play against each other. So if it was 14 people, it'd be like 7 versus 7. Some of the activities, some of the games like trivia, some of them are physical. There's all sorts of different challenges, and they rotate. So if you're here one time and you come again, it might not be the same experience. So I'm gonna try to spin the wheel and see what happens. All right, everybody, I'm spinning the wheel. Here we go. Man, that thing was a little stiffer than I thought it was gonna be.
That's 20% off for you.
Haha, check that out. Let's go. So it looks like I might be trying to find some friends and coming back, and maybe we could like do a video of the experience for you guys. Who knows? 20% off. Woohoo! That was fun. That place seems really cool. I'm telling you right now, I'm definitely coming back. I'm gonna try to get a couple of friends around, and we'll come experience the great big game show, see what she's all about. Anyways, it's gonna be kind of a shorter one for me today. There's still tons of stuff coming up on iDrive. I'm doing my research, and I'll try to keep you guys posted and up to date as much as I can. Anyways, that's it for me today. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time.